In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can clear your Instagram cache on an iPhone. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This is especially useful if Instagram is lagging, freezing, or acting slow. This will help you out, and it's actually super easy to do. But unlike Android, iPhone does not actually let you clear Instagram inside the app itself. So what you're going to do is back out and begin even clearing the cache. I would recommend making sure that Instagram is updated. So open up your app store, tap your profile icon up in the top right, scroll down till you see pending updates, or just search for Instagram and then update it there. If there's an update, obviously update it. This will help fix bugs and performance issues. If it's still slow, what we're going to do is open up settings and then scroll down to the general tab right here and open that up. From here, scroll down a little bit more, hit iPhone storage and scroll down even more until you see Instagram on here. It shouldn't be too far down, but as you can see, Instagram is currently taking up 2.51 gigabytes right here. So what you're going to want to do is select Instagram for you, and then you're going to see an option that says offload app. Select it and then hit offload app again to confirm. This is going to remove temporary files, which is that cache, but it's going to keep your account, it's going to keep your login, and of course, it's going to keep your data. After offloading, you're going to have to reinstall that app, but Instagram should now run a lot smoother and take up way less storage. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.